less stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right?
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we got a special unboxing. First and foremost, shout out to my bro TopzWorld, because without him this would not be possible. Shout out to FREZHDIVISION for believing in me just like TopzWorld did, and hey, put me on the team, y'all. So with all that being said, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join your boy DaRetroWizKid and the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 100 likes. Splack that like button, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, y'all, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the new gear from FREZHDIVISION. Get it! Let's get straight to this thing, y'all. I'm so excited. I honestly don't know what's in this box, y'all. He just told me that it was coming in. Y'all make sure that y'all go shop FREZHDIVISIONs. I will leave a link in the description box. Save 20% off on your next purchase using RetroWiz. So, hey, it's looking good, looking good. Hold up, y'all. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open like this. Okay, so coming in first, y'all, let's check this thing out, y'all. We got the FREZHDIVISION tee right here. Y'all see it? It's in that nice black and white. Y'all know your boy, I was just telling y'all, your boy love the black and white when it comes to clothing, man. Right here you got the Sneaker Connoisseurs FREZHDIVISION t-shirt right here. And of course, you guys can see that we do have the sneakers right here going around it. Very, very, very dope art right there. On the back of it, you have the FREZHDIVISION's branding on the t-shirt. Now, all of the clothing that I got in an XL, and we might as well go ahead and throw the shirt on just so you guys can see what it's looking like. First shirt up right here, and now it is on me. You guys can see it, FREZHDIVISION, and on the back right here, you do have the FREZHDIVISION branding on the back of the t-shirt. I think that is very fuego. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, these are all in a size XL, so I stuck with my true size, and as y'all can see, I do have that nice wiggle room that I want to have, and it is a little bit right how I want it to be on my arms. So let's get into the next shirt. Coming in next, same shirt, only difference is it has the red branding on it. You can rock these with the breads, you can rock these with you can rock these with some Yeezys too. You can rock it with them all black Yeezys, y'all, if you want to put it like that. With the first shirt, I didn't tell you guys what kicks you could rock, because y'all know we do the sneakers over here, and that's what this is about. With the first shirt, I didn't tell y'all what sneakers I rock with it, so it's only right that I hit y'all and tell y'all what shoes you could possibly match up with it. Really, you could wear any black shoe, any all black shoe if you wanted to. You could also wear black and white shoes. You have a plethora of black and white Jordans that you could choose from. Just to name off a couple of them, off rip, Shadow 1s. You could wear the Steel 10s, white cement 4s, white cement 3s, Concords. That's just a couple of different shoes that you can match up with that. This shirt, bread 4s, bread 11s, hey, flu games. Hey, you know what I'm saying? And the same thing, y'all, on the back right here, you guys can see we do have that FREZHDIVISION branding. So going through the box, I'm really just grabbing the stuff randomly. I did not actually look to see what any of the stuff was. Y'all saw me unbox it. And right here, you do have the FREZHDIVISION shorts. These are made with a great type of material. You can tell that it's very high quality. And also, you do have the pockets. I love having the pockets on my sweatpants, y'all. And with these sweat shorts, having the pockets on the side as well as having the pocket on the back, that is a very, very dope touch. I'm trying to see how I can show you guys me with it on. Now, as y'all see, DeVintage back there, DeVintage right there, working on his video. But the way that my lights are set up right now, y'all, I'm gonna have to go outside and do a nice little try on haul. And y'all, I got something special for you guys coming. Shout out to my bro Twin, man. We've been talking and he's been trying to help me out with ways to change my channel up, give it a little bit of that spice to it, you feel me? So stay tuned for that, stay tuned for that. But right here, we do have these FREZHDIVISION shorts, sweat shorts, and they look mighty comfortable. I'm about to go in the bathroom and put these things on and come back and tell y'all about that comfort. As y'all see, I just want to give you guys a nice little look-see at the fit, how it will look. Right here, I decided to throw on the bread 4s. These are the release from this year. Of course, we do have that Nike Air on the ass. And right here, hey, and right here we have the matching pants with the matching top, FREZHDIVISION all the way down. And I think that I will definitely get this a 10 of 10, y'all. It's very comfortable. Shirt is comfortable, not too thick, not too thin, as well as I like the way that how it feels. And also, you know, when you get a brand new shirt and the shirt has like some type of smell to it, when you buy it from like a certain company or something, they might have a smell to it. Hey, these things are smelling fresh off the press, no craziness, and you can tell right here that the quality is good. You can wash it, it's not gonna come off. And right here as well, you have the dope branding on the pants, just like the shirt. Very good quality right here on these shorts. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, use RetroWiz, save you 20% off. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for you guys. So now we on to the second fit. I told you guys I seen the shirt at first. I ain't see that I had the pants to go with it, but right here you have some nice, I would call these joggers, right bro?
Yeah, I like joggers.
Joggers, got the little drawstring right there. And of course I wouldn't tie them up, I'd leave it like that. Matching tee to match the pants. Gotta have the kicks to match the fit. Y'all already know how we be rocking, man. We got the Concords on. These are the Concords that came out last year. 45 on the ass. Hey, I think this is a dope outfit. Y'all let me know if this thing fuego or 9. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Shout out to FREZHDIVISION, shout out to T-Ward, shout out to the whole family, man. Appreciate all the love and support from y'all. Appreciate all the love and support from each and every one of y'all that rock out with your boy DaRetroWizKid. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway for the 2K20. I will leave all the information in the description box below. Comment on. Do not comment on this video with your Instagram and your PS4 or Xbox, which system you have. Do that on the video that I dropped for the Travis Scotts. I will link that in the description box as well. It is your boy DaRetroWizKid. Tomorrow we will have another banger for you guys, so make sure that y'all stay rocking out with your boy. Shout out to my bro DeVintage World. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. 20K on the way. My man's holding the camera for me, so I hope if that shit ain't steady, that mean that you know what I'm saying?
I mean, that nigga ain't ready.
Straight like that. I'm trying not to cuss for y'all, but I'm gonna blurt it out anyway, probably. But anyway, it's your boy DaRetroWizKid, man. Y'all see the gear, man. Y'all see the crib, man. We in this thing, we chilling, man. We having a good time tonight. So hey, I will catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we out. Yeti!